राजमाता, सबसे सस्ता टर्म इंश्योरेंस प्लान सजेस्ट करने वाले लोगों के साथ क्या करना चाहिए?
महामंत्री,
राजमाता,
इस महाअपराध का दंड क्या है बताया जाए।
राजकुटुंब से यदि ऐसा अपराध होता है तो उन्हें राजमहल से सदा के लिए बहिष्कृत कर दिया जाए। राजमाता,
इस पर अमल किया जाए।
सारे प्लान्स एक जैसे हैं, दे कवर द लाइफ ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल और सारे IRDAI रेगुलेटेड भी हैं, तो क्यों ना सबसे चीपेस्ट प्लान लेके छोड़ दूं? द डिफरेंस फॉर अ 2 crore कवर फॉर अ 30-year-old नॉन स्मोकर बिटवीन द हाइएस्ट प्रीमियम एंड द लोएस्ट प्रीमियम इज ह्यूज। अब आप पूछेंगे कि कितना ह्यूज? तो प्रीमियम फॉर द चीपेस्ट प्लान इज अराउंड 7,000 रुपीज अ ईयर, वेयर सबसे महंगा प्लान आपको मिल सकता है 17,000 रुपए साल के प्रीमियम पे। तो इतना एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम क्यों पे करना? एट द सेम टाइम आप ये पॉलिसी 30-40 साल के लिए ले रहे हो, तो ये बहुत नॉर्मल है सोचना कि जब तक क्लेम आएगा तब तक ये इंश्योरेंस कंपनी दुनिया में, इस बिजनेस में या इंडिया में एग्जिस्ट करेगा या नहीं। बाइंग फ्रॉम अ नोन ब्रांड गिव्स यू मेंटल कंफर्ट, यू गेट बेटर स्लीप. You are buying this policy for 30-40 years. You want the insurance company to survive, exist in this country for that time. LIC, old business houses, running serious large businesses, banks are already existing for multiple decades. They are not less likely to close down or exit from India. Hence, they are trustworthy in our mind. But let's take a step back and see why are you buying this plan? You are buying this plan so that your family can live a hassle-free life even if something happens to you. The ultimate objective should hence be focused on this. Does this mental comfort of a brand really translate into better experience? Let's understand this better. All plans have the same benefit and the same exclusions. Finally, the plan is straight and simple. It pays when you die during the policy term. You don't get any additional benefits or better experience when you pay more. Your claim is going to get paid in all cases, especially if you have made clear declarations. Plus, Section 45 ensures that your claim is not stuck in any technicalities after completion of 3 years. All insurers come under IRDAI regulations. There is a grievance process, there is a consumer forum, etc. So what is to worry about? IRDAI ensures smooth transition and policyholders' interest in case of any insurer closes down or exits from India. So there is no need to worry about even the rare chances of company closing down. Paying high premium to a large brand does not assure you of any service or better claims experience anyways. Okay, understood. So apart from some mental peace not supported by facts, there is no assurance that your family will get the claim when you buy a product from a large brand versus a small brand. It is not a matter whether your nominee will get the claim, but rather how will they get the claim, whether the process is easy and smooth, whether the claim payout will be easy and will be done in the fastest possible time. This is a policy where you definitely won't be there to follow up for the claims. You would want your family to get a hassle-free experience where they don't have to run around follow up for getting claims money. So if your nominee matters to you, the experience she gets matters to you more than the psychological comfort from a big brand, then you must worry about the insurer's track record before buying the policy. Whether the insurer is quick at settling claims, whether the insurer is good at customer service and etc. More than what the additional benefits are being offered, whether the price or the brand of the insurance company is big or small. That's where you can look up at Beshak Star Ratings. With Beshak Star Ratings, we have gone deep to understand the core needs of a dependent family around claims and service to rate the best plans available. We have analyzed more than 100 parameters, especially around claims experience and customer service. For instance, how complicated is an insurance claim form? How quickly do they answer complaints on Twitter or toll free? How fast do they settle their claims and so on? All of this is available on a 100% unbiased platform of Beshak, where we don't sell, advertise or distribute insurance products. We are focused on remaining unbiased and conflict free in our content. If you like our video, please do hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more such interesting videos around insurance.